Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm going to be making a jazzy UK drill beat. So I want to sample my favorite jazz track called In a Sentimental Mood by John Coltrane. I sampled this like 10 years ago when I wasn't really producing seriously, and then I randomly came across it again today, so I thought I had to flip it. And just so everyone knows, I'm dropping a brand new melodic and sampled drill loop kit, hopefully this Monday. It's going to be completely free for everyone to download, so make sure you keep a lookout for your emails. And if you're not on the mailing list, then I'll leave a link to it in the description. But let's get into the video. Alright, I've pulled in the sample. I don't want to play it because I'll get an instant copyright claim. So if you want to hear the original one, then just search it. No doubt when I'm chopping it, I'm going to get the claim anyway, but we try. And I just need to figure out the BPM first. So the BPM is around about 138, should be perfect for drill. And instead of chopping it in Fruity Slicer, I'm just going to go ahead and take some parts I like in the playlist. So I definitely want to use something like this. Piano sounds crazy. I just need to make sure it's in time though. I don't know if that's the right BPM. Alright, so I definitely want to take that part. And yeah, maybe the BPM wasn't perfectly on, but I feel like it changes throughout the track. But it's not going to matter once I rearrange it. Alright, I want to take this part too. Maybe that can repeat. And then I want to take this bit here. This could be like a little section before the hook or something. I'll be perfect for a drop. Alright, maybe we'll take this part too. Bring the BPM up. I don't know if that's in time. It's like some parts are slower than others, so I might need to make some unique. This can be one section. Definitely. Or maybe we can take this part instead because it has a little bit of a different ending. It's got that snare roll. Alright, let's find some more parts. So this bit's kind of similar, but what I'm going to do is take this bit and then use this one because then the sax is introduced. So if I bring this about here, actually, so these need to come back. I'm just going to make this section 8 bars and then the sax can come in. There we go. Then that can repeat. But to make it sound better, I'm going to cut it there and then bring this section here. So you hear the intro of that sax. I'm going to repeat that 3 times and then have something different at the end. And then maybe bring this section in. Ooh, this is going to sound crazy. So repeat this bit. Yo, this is going to be so sick. There we go. Alright, so I've got loads of different parts I can use. I don't know exactly how I'm going to structure it yet. I just wanted to see how it all sounded with drums. And then, yeah, I'll figure the arrangement out at the end. But I need to clean this up and do some processing because I need to get rid of most of the hats in there. Let's just take out some noise. About there. Take out some bass too. I'm going to take out the highs too because I want to get rid of the hats. I don't mind some of them staying in there, but if there's too much going on, plus the drill hats, it's just going to sound wild. Take out some harsh frequencies too. It's sounding a bit thin, so I'm just adding an imager. I can hear it leaning to one side, so I'm panning it. And then to compensate for the highs we removed, I'm going to add some distortion. Going to add some space too. Ooh, there we go. Let's try a different key though. I like it down, you know. Alright, let's grab a quick counter snare. Add some quick little rolls in. Alright, let's grab another one. Classy, I feel like the name fits the vibe, so we'll see if it fits. There we go. For the main counter snare 2, I'm going to add Pan Man, just so it goes between both ears, but I'm going to bring the mix level down, so it's not as noticeable. I'm going to use a rim for this one. We'll try this. And I think because the melody is sounding so ambient, I'm going to add some reverb to the rim too. Maybe less than 10%. Let's try this one instead. Alright, I feel like this one fits the vibe more. Alright, for the 8-way, I'm going to go back to volume 4 because I don't want something that's so distorted. I don't really want the 8-weight hitting there. See if we could pitch it up 3. Alright, yeah, let's try and pitch it up 2. That might be better, you know. Let's add a slide here. Or maybe flip them. There we go. But I'm gonna make these slide notes instead. So yeah, really basic 8-weight pattern. I'm just trying to keep it smooth. I think in this part, the 8-weight note could change a little bit. Like, it still works, but it also works here. Alright, let's add some perks in there. Maybe something like this. I just want some ambient sounds. Just gotta stretch it out a little bit. Alright, something like this too. Alright, let's grab an open hat too. And again, just to make it ambient, let's add some reverb to it. Actually, let's make it more like this. There we go. Alright, definitely want some effects in there, so I'll get this transition. And maybe this one too. Alright, maybe one last thing before I arrange it, and just this gunshot after the smaller riser. Alright, cool. So for the arrangement, I think I can leave this in here. I think it sounds fine as it is. And then I can split these drums up. Maybe have the kick come in later. Maybe save the open hat actually. So this whole thing here could be the hook, and then when it drops into this section, I can start taking some things out. But maybe in here too, I can just cut this out. Yeah, so I'm gonna copy these across. Alright, so I just had to change a couple 8-weight notes just so it matched the sample. Okay, so at this part I need it to transition back into the hook, so we just need to see which bit sounds right. So that bit doesn't sound right, so let's see what this is like. There we go. Alright, cool, let's play it from the beginning. Okay, so for the intro, just got the piano,
Cactus.
the gunshots, just to add a bit of atmosphere, and then straight into the hook. But in this hook, it just builds up slowly. But I still want vocals here. Second part. This bit sounded crazy. And then into the verse. So everything just ducks down. Same 8-weight pattern, just couple notes changed. Just introducing the gunshots again. So yeah, that was the only pattern changed. Let me know who you could hear on this. I could 100% hear Knucks on this. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. And like I said earlier, if everything goes to plan, I'm going to be dropping a brand new free loop kit on Monday. It's going to have melodic and sampled drill melodies, so like the style of Central C. I'm probably going to be doing a beat battle with it too, and that's going to be in my Discord. So if you're not a member there, then check the link in the description. But yo, once again, I appreciate you all for watching. Much love once again, and I'll see you next time.